So, hey everyone, namaste and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So, today is my day 6 of doing a yoga challenge. So, सबसे पहले we are going to start with Tadasana और mountain pose. So, इससे पहले एक योगा चैलेंज में I done with a Tadasana और mountain pose if you remember. तो इसके काफ़ी ज़्यादा बेनिफिट होते हैं. फॉर एग्जाम्पल इट इम्प्रूव posture, strength muscle and boost balance. सबसे ज़्यादा मुझे बेनिफिट ये लगता है कि इट हेल्प इन रिड्यूसिंग द बैक पेन. सो समटाइम आई हैव अ लॉट ऑफ बैक पेन बिकॉज इतनी ज़्यादा एक्सरसाइज नहीं हो पाती. सो दिस एक्सरसाइज इज़ रियली गुड फॉर यू. So now we are going to start with second yoga pose, which is Padma Asana. If I don't pronounce it correctly, please correct me in comment section and sorry in advance. So it is one of the 12 pose of Surya Namaskar. Padma means feet and Hast means hand. Therefore Padma Asana means keeping the palm down toward the feet, and it means hand to foot pose. So the next exercise we are going to do a Veerbhadra Asana or warrior pose. If you remember that I also done this yoga pose in my previous video, and it is a popular yoga asana that provides strength, balance and flexibility. So there are three variation of warrior pose, which is Veerbhadra Asana 1, Veerbhadra Asana 2 and Veerbhadra Asana 3. Warrior pose is beneficial for individual of all fitness level and especially helpful for athletes. So by daily practicing this yoga pose, it really beneficial for your physical and mental well-being. So the next yoga pose which we are going to do is called as Janu Shirs Asana. If I don't pronounce it correctly, please correct me in comment section and sorry in advance. So it is also called as head to knee pose. It is a full forward fold that offer and stretch from your ankle to your hips along the full length of your back. So there are a different benefit of this pose. It stretches your entire body. So the Paschimottanasana is seated forward, the bent yoga. In this yoga asana, the entire back of the body from head to heel, including the spinal column, is deeply stretched, and it is beneficial for our back pain. It helps in reducing the anxiety, and it helps in getting the calmness of the mind. So the next yoga pose which we are going to do is also called as spinal twist, and this asana improve the health and performance of the spleen, kidney and bowels are stimulated, and this asana must be done when you are in empty stomach condition. Make sure you have your meal at least 4 hours before the practice. So how to earth must asana do? So you have to sit down on the floor, stretch your legs out in front of you, bend your legs at the knee, bring your right foot close to your arms against the inside of left thighs. Bend your left leg by raising your knee. Place your left foot flat on the floor to the right to your right knee. Stretch your right hand backward and place your palm flat on the floor behind your back. So when I'm doing this yoga pose, I don't know how do I do. So the next yoga pose which we are going to do is called as Uttanasana. So it is also referred to as camel pose because Uttar means camel and Asana means posture or seat. Camel pose is chest opening, back bend that is energized and beneficial. So the next yoga pose which we are going to do is called as Asana, and it is a complete yoga asana. It is really beneficial for your body posture, blood circulation. It also manages your diabetes, digestive alignment and chest alignment. So the next yoga pose which I am going to do is called as Hal Asana, and it is really beneficial for your neck, shoulder and back, and it also stretches your spine. So the next yoga pose which I am going to do is also called as bridge pose, is a back bending yoga pose. So the last yoga pose which I am going to do is called as Chakra Asana. So basically it increase your energy and heat, strength your arm, legs, spine and abdomen. Open the chest, stretches the shoulder, and it also stretches the hip flexor and core. It also strengthens the glutes and thigh. It increases the flexibility in the spine. So now I'm going to do a little bit of stretching. योगा से पहले एंड योगा के बाद you always have to do a stretching, because इससे आपकी बॉडी को काफ़ी ज़्यादा रिलीफ मिलती है एंड आपकी बॉडी काफ़ी ज़्यादा स्ट्रेस फ्री रहती है. तो आई ऑलवेज डू अ ब्रीथ वर्क योगा के बाद, बिकॉज आई फील कि इससे आपका माइंड काफ़ी ज़्यादा काम होता है. एंड योगा में यू ऑलवेज शुड नो व्हेन यू हैव टू इनहेल, व्हेन यू हैव टू एक्सहेल. तो हमेशा मैं अपनी इनहेल एंड एक्सहेल ब्रीथ वर्क पे काफ़ी ज़्यादा ध्यान रखती हूँ एंड इससे आपका माइंड काफ़ी ज़्यादा पीसफुल रहता है. एंड योगा करने के बाद आई फील रियली गुड एंड रियली रिलैक्सिंग. सो आई मीट यू इन माई डे 7.